Hi there, we are the Phoenix team from Hungary.
Phoenix is able to revive from its ashes. We would like the moon travel reborn. The human being stepped onto the surface of the moon in 1969 for the first time. We went there last in 1972. It was a really long time ago. A lot of things have happened here on Earth since then. In the same year, a Nobel Prize was given for the theory of superconductivity. After that, the digital circuits were improved at a quick pace. In the 1980s, the computers became smaller and cheaper, and PCs circulated worldwide. The internet sped in the 1990s. The GPS system started to operate. The phones became smaller and faster and then got rid of the wires. Nowadays, they are not only wireless, but smart. Our world has accelerated. Trains, planes, cars became faster, people. We got faster and smarter at the same time. There have been great achievements in the research of mesons, leptons, quarks, bosons were discovered. In the field of molecular biology, the total human genome has been revealed and is able to clone living creatures. We can produce new materials, carbon nanopipes, regenerated plastics. With so much new knowledge and technology, we should visit to the moon again. But why to go to the moon?
We have discovered so many things, but all in vain. Our curiosity has not decreased at all.
Because it is so close.
We could collect some space devices later, and we might examine what kinds of influences have been made on them. It could be ideal basis of on-space telescopes. We could collect some samples from cell deeper layers. We could study volcanism. We could make experiments. We could establish a research center. We could map where and how much helium-3 isotope is there. We could gather some experience to travel to Mars. Earth is beneath you. Skies above you.
The letter is in us.